Jasmine Mossel Delucy, and I'm a part of Ntɨsinen Language Nest. Today I'd like to go over the page that we made for teaching commands in the Ilna language. The first one is Ntɨsinen. Ntɨsinen. Please listen. The next one is Ntɨsidui. Ntɨsidui. Or listen to me. The next one is Jugua. Jugua. For come. The next one is Abijasi. Abijasi. Come back. The next one is Wijewi. Wijewi. Come with me. The next one is Kamasi. Kamasi. Or stand up. The next one is Bossy. Bossy. Sit down. The next one is Mijisi. Mijisi. For eat. The next one is Ankami. Ankami. For look at me. Then we go into Janasi. Janasi. For calm down. Geduksidogen. 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 You're going to get hurt. Iganumwi. Iganumwi. Give it to me. Iganumu. Iganumu. Give it to X. Abaji iganamu. Give it back to X. Abaji iganamu. Then we have Muktladigo. Muktladigo. Or don't do that. Muksamadu. Muksamadu. Don't touch that. We don't want them to touch a human or animate. Muksamalo. Muksamalo. Then we have Mukalgusuo. Mukalgusuo. Don't climb. Then we have Mukmadnawen. Mukmadnawen. Don't fight anyone. And then we have Mukupwalowen. Mukupwalowen. Don't bite anyone. I hope that you enjoyed this. I hope that I can help you at all. Walalio from Ntɨsinen Language Nest. Walaliek.